Praise Yahweh and Shalom family. Welcome to Yahweh Virtual University's student registration tutorial video. So as you can see right now, we're on the home page of www.yahwehvirtualuniversity.com. Okay. And on this home page, there's definitely a lot of information. I'm not going to go over everything. I just want to strictly go over registration. And registering for the Saturday classes. So when you get to the home page, you simply go to Free Saturday Class. And that will take you to a page that gives you a lot of details about the classes. The first thing you'll notice is that students will be required to actually register. And once they have registered, the good thing is they don't have to register again. They would simply just have to log in. So if you have already registered, praise Yahweh, just go ahead and log in. If you have not registered, that's what we're going to do today. And again, on this page has a lot of information as well on the different time zones and everything. But we're not going to go over that again. You can do that on your own time. I just strictly want to go over registration. So I'm going to go ahead and sign myself up. And I'm going to go to register. And once I'm here, I'm going to just scroll down. There's a little bit of information about the course and what the student will be learning. And I'm going to go ahead and click the Join the Family, Register Here button. And here I'm just going to put in my information. And I'm going to copy that and just paste it here. Oh, copying is not allowed. So that's good to know. You'd have to type in your email, family. All right. So I have typed in my email. If the very young students does not have email addresses, it's okay. Parents, go ahead and put in your email. And then you want to create a password for the student. I just like to do my, first name, middle initial, or last initial with my favorite number. That's what I like to do. Okay, and my passwords match. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my name. And address. And city. And state. Family, if the younger students does not have a phone number, please, parents, just put in your phone number. Okay, and once all of your information is filled out, it's just that simple. You will be able to register for the class. I'm going to go ahead and enroll now. All right, praise Yahweh. Course enrollment success. All right, that is exciting. So I have successfully registered for the 14 and up Yahweh Virtual University Saturday Bible Fun classes. It took me straight to my dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you have several different links that will lead you to certain things. The good thing about it is your course. You can see it right here. This takes you straight to your classroom. So we're going to actually go there now. And on this page, if you ever get achievements, this is where you would find it. Certificates, we're going to be issuing different certificates for students, which is going to be exciting. If you ever have different memberships, you'll be able to find all of that on this student dashboard here. And if you ever want to sign out, to sign another student in, you would do that here on your dashboard. So let's go ahead into the classroom. I'm going to click my classroom. And now once here, all I'm going to do is scroll down. and click Get Started. Once I click Get Started, I am ready to go. I'm actually in my classroom. So as you can see, it shows me my ages. It shows me the correct classroom that I'm in, 14 and up, and it gives me some objectives about this class and some of the things we're going to be learning. The amazing thing is it also gives you the correct times that this class or this lesson would start in Eastern, Central, and Pacific time. So to join my live class, I would just simply click here, Join Live Lesson. And once I do that, it will take me to, of course, the Teams app. If you've already downloaded the Teams app, you know what to do from here. You may have to download the app if you have not downloaded it. And downloading the app is very simple. But basically, that's how you would get to your live classes. And then if I ever wanted to get back to my student dashboard, I would just click this button here. And it would take me back to my dashboard. So if I ever had other YVU Virtual University lessons or courses that I signed up for, all of my courses would show up here. Okay? So if I ever registered another student or something like that, or if I wanted to register for another free class, all of my courses would show here, which is very exciting. So I'm going to actually go back into the classroom because I want to show some more details on the classroom page. Again, I'm going to scroll down and go ahead and click Get Started to get back into the 14 and up classroom. So again, to join the live class, you just simply click Join Live Lesson here. If you have registered and you do not see your name here under the registered students, it does take 24 to 48 hours before your name will show up here. And if it does take any longer during your live class, please inform your teacher or just email admin@YVUvirtualuniversity.com, and we will make sure that your name shows up under the registered students. Here in your classroom, you'll be able to see exactly what projects are due. As we can see, for this upcoming Saturday, students will have to choose one picture to draw and color with crayons, color pencils, or paint. And then they can choose either the Moses seeing the burning bush, Moses with a rod turning into a serpent, or Moses with a leprous or white hand. So once those projects are complete, family, the awesome thing about it is you can upload your project and you can do it as a video or upload it as a photo. So as I scroll down, it says upload projects. I can upload a video of my project, and I would just simply choose whether I want to use, which account I want to use. If I have a Gmail, and most people have Gmail, it's probably easier to just continue with Gmail here, with the Google here, actually. And then once you click this button, you just go through the process and you will see exactly what to do to show off your amazing project through your video. The good thing about the videos is lots of fun. You can also see other students' videos that they've uploaded of their projects. So have fun with this feature, family. This is something new that we've started with uploading the video of your project. Another thing you can do is upload a photo. So if you scroll down and you go ahead and click Start, you will be able to upload a photo of your project. So take a picture of it, save it, and you'll be able to upload it here. And then you'll see it in the photo gallery. Right now, there's nothing in the photo gallery, but when we have students start uploading photos, you will see your project in the student gallery, which is pretty awesome. And here's just some extra information here towards the end. And you can leave a comment, family, if you ever wanted to write a comment or, talk about the class, you can do so down here. And that's basically it on the classroom, family. So it's really, really easy to register. So parents, if you have younger students, definitely register them. Um, and parents would just put in your email and your phone number. And then, of course, if you're registering yourself for the 14 and up class, you would just put in your information. One more thing, family, before I go. All of these features, they work on a desktop, a tablet, or a cell phone, or a smartphone. So that's pretty awesome. Of course, I'm actually on a laptop right now. So if you're walking through these steps on a tablet, the layout may look a little bit different. If you're on your phone, the layout will definitely look different, but all of the steps will be the same. So family, have an amazing day, and I pray that Yahweh continue to bless and keep you. We're thankful and excited that you have been, joining our Saturday classes, and students have been enjoying it. So thank you so much. The registration is actually open, so you can register as soon as today. And whenever your classes start on Saturday, just simply log in and click the join now or join live lesson button in your classroom. Love you much, family. Shalom, and may Yahweh continue to bless you forever.